Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Saturday said those indulging in black marketing of remdesivir injections in the state are being charged under the stringent National Security Act (NSA). He also said properties of those holding or black marketing life-saving medicines will be seized. Yogi Adityanath, who was on a visit to Kanpur, said efforts are being made to ensure that the pace of COVID-19 vaccination picks up across the state next month. The state government will contain the second wave of COVID-19 by the end of this month, he added. He also said that government is making necessary arrangements for the treatment of black fungus as well as improving infrastructure in children's hospitals. Moving on to the next news, a new controversy has erupted in Madhya Pradesh over a video of former Chief Minister Kamal Nath that the BJP has said shows him inciting Congress workers to conduct arson to ensure farmers get justice. The party has also attacked Mr. Nath for criticizing the government's handling of the coronavirus crisis in a manner that it says shows India in poor light. In a 20-second video released by the state's BJP unit, Mr. Nath can be seen addressing a virtual meeting and is heard telling the Congress workers that it was the right opportunity to set fire, aag laga do, so that the farmers would get justice. Addressing a digital conference on Friday, the Congress leader had also said that last year the world was saying that the COVID-19 pandemic was caused by the Chinese virus, but now our country has become infamous due to the Indian corona or Indian variant. Presidents and prime ministers of many nations are talking about Indian variant, Mr. Nath had said. Moving on to the next news, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Saturday hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the government's handling of the novel coronavirus pandemic amid India's fight against COVID. No vaccines, lowest GDP, highest COVID deaths, GOI's response, PM cries. He said in an acerbic tweet on Friday, while also accusing PM Modi of shedding crocodile tears while paying homage to people who died of COVID-19. Crocodiles are innocent, said the Congress leader in another tweet, in a dig at the Prime Minister turning emotional during his digital interaction with doctors in his Lok Sabha constituency Varanasi on Friday. Moving on to the next news, a double dose of COVID-19 vaccines is almost as effective against the fast-spreading variant of the coronavirus first identified in India as it is against Britain's dominant strain, English health officials said on Saturday. Britain's health minister said the data was groundbreaking and he was increasingly hopeful that the government would be able to lift more COVID restrictions next month. A study by Public Health England, PHE, found the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine was 88% effective against symptomatic disease from the B1617 variant 2 weeks after the second dose, that compared with 93% effectiveness against the B117 Kent strain, which is Britain's dominant COVID variant. 2 doses of AstraZeneca vaccine were 60% effective against symptomatic disease from the Indian variant, compared with 66% effectiveness against the Kent variant, PHE said. Moving on to the next news, President Jair Bolsonaro must pay a fine for failing to adhere to state health safety regulations at a public event, the governor of Maranhão state said, as Brazil struggles to contain the COVID-19 pandemic. Health authorities filed the case against Bolsonaro for the promotion of Maranhão of gatherings with no sanitary safeguards. The law applies to everyone, the governor of the northeastern state, leftist Flavio Dino, tweeted late Friday. Dino reminded the public that gatherings of more than 100 people are banned in his state and the use of face masks is mandatory. Bolsonaro's office has 15 days to appeal, after which the amount of the fine will be set.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.